Hi, superstars. It's time for math. We are on lesson 9-2. Count, read, and write 13, 14, and 15. All right, let's look at our first problem here. Carlos collected leaves to put in a scrapbook. Use counters to show the number of leaves he collected. So let's count our leaves over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So he collected 14 leaves. Let's use this 10 frame to show how many leaves he's collected. So we know the 10 frame is going to have 10 counters, which are leaves. So if I fill up my 10 frame, I know that there are 10 counters representing 10 leaves. We have 14 leaves. So if I have 10 counters here, I need to add 4 more counters. I will add 4 more counters in a new row. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is showing 14 leaves. All right, let's watch this short video together.
What does this picture show? It shows some leaves. How can you tell how many leaves there are?
We can count them. Okay, so let's look here. Let's drag the leaves into the box and let's count them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So we have 13 leaves in all.
You can count them. Let's count all the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Why do you see a 13?
We see a 13 because we counted 13 leaves.
There are 13 leaves in all. Let's show 13 with counters and a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10 frame is full. Make a new row below it with the other counters. 11, 12, 13. How do the counters match the leaves?
There are 13 counters and there are 13 leaves.
Both show 13. How are these ways to show 13 different?
We have yellow counters showing one way to make 13, and then we have our leaves to show another way to make 13.
One way shows 13 leaves. The other shows 13 counters. What number can you see in the dots? It is the number 13. Why is this number shown? 13 is how many leaves there are. If you trace the dots, what number will you write? You will write the number 13. Where do you start to trace?
We always start from the top and we go down.
Start at this dot at the top. Trace down. Now trace the number 3. Start at this dot near the top of the 3. Trace around. Read the number. It says 13.
Let's look at our guided practice. And we are on number 1. Let's count the leaves in each group and then practice writing the number that tells how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now let's practice writing the number 13. We always start at the top and we go down. We start at this black dot and we go around to make our 3, and that is 13. Let's try it again. We go down and around. Let's look at problem number 2. How many leaves are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 leaves. Let's practice writing the number 14. We start at the top and go down. We start at that black dot, we go down and across and down. And let's do it one more time. Good job. We are on our guided practice. Make sure you put your name on top. Let's look at number 3. We're going to count the leaves in each group and then continue to practice writing the number that tells how many. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 leaves. Let's practice starting from the top going down. Let's write our 5. Let's do it again. Practice writing 15. Let's look at problem number 4. Let's count the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We are going to write 15. Let's practice writing 15 3 times. Always start from the top and go down. Okay, now let's look at number 5. Let me erase this and go up to number 5. All right, we're here now. We see a 10 frame. How many leaves are in that 10 frame? We should know that without counting. There are 10 leaves in the 10 frame. So if we have 10 leaves here, we can count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's practice writing 14. We start from the top and go down. Try to write it 3 times. All right, let's look at number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's practice writing 13 for the 13 leaves. Put a space between each 13. Good job, superstars. You're doing an excellent job. Keep up the good work. I want you to do the next page, which is your independent practice, independently. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.